Juicy Carrot by Enid Blyton. One fine morning, Bobtail the rabbit met Longears the hare, and they both set off talking about this and about that. They both saw a farm cart full of carrots pass by, and their mouths watered. Suddenly, the cart tripped over a stone, and a big, juicy, dark orange carrot fell from the cart to the ground. Bobtail and Longears were very delighted. Bobtail picked up the carrot, but then Longears said eagerly, "We both saw it at once. We must share it." "Certainly," said Bobtail. "I'll break it in half." So Bobtail broke the carrot in half. But although each piece measured the same, one part was the thick top part and one was the thin bottom part. They both knew that just one of them could not get the bigger piece. But then they got an idea. What if they could find someone who could judge them to see who gets the bigger piece? So, both the animals looked left and they looked right. But all they could see was Neddy, the donkey. There's no one in sight except Neddy the donkey. He's stupid and has no brains to speak of. But we have no choice, Bobtail. There's no one in sight except him. So, both the animals ran over to Neddy the donkey. They met him and told him the whole tale. He said, "If I am so stupid as you think, and I wonder why you want me to judge you." "Well, you will have to do. Now tell us, how are we to know which of us gets the bigger piece?" "I can soon put that right with you, even with my poor brain." He took the larger piece in his mouth and bit off the end. "Perhaps that should have made them the same size," he said, crunching up the juicy part he had bitten off. But no, now this piece was smaller than the other. "Soon put that right," said Neddy, and he picked up the second piece. He did the same thing with it, and the results came to be the same. The hare and the rabbit watched in alarm. This was dreadful. "Stop, Neddy," said Longears. "Give us what is left. You have no right to crunch up our carrot." "I was only trying to help you," said Neddy. "Wait a moment. Perhaps this time I'll make the pieces equal." He took another big bite. The two animals were in despair. "Give us the rest," they begged. "Do not eat anymore." "Well," said Neddy, looking at the last two juicy pieces and keeping his foot on them so the animals wouldn't be able to get them, "what about my payment for settling your trouble? What will you give me for that?" "Payment? We'll give you nothing at all," said Longears. "What?" said Neddy angrily. "Then I should take my own payment." And then the donkey set off with the last two pieces of carrot. He gobbled them up with enjoyment. "Thanks," he said to Longears and Bobtail. "That was very nice of you." Bobtail, said Longears. Do you think that donkey was as stupid as we thought he was? No, I don't, groaned Bobtail. He was much smarter than we were. Then both the animals set off to their homes. As for Neddy, he told his friend the brown horse all about the big juicy carrot. You should have heard them laugh. The end. The moral of the story is, don't judge a book by its cover. Thank you.